In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily reduce the intensity of bright colors on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to Settings. On Settings, scroll down until you find Accessibility. Then tap Add Display and Text Size. And that's where you need to scroll down until you find Reduce White Point. First off, we need to turn this option on, and then by dragging that slider right or left in this way, we can reduce or increase the intensity of bright colors. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.